When it comes to surviving, our body take it so serious, not only human beings but even other animals, because the primary or the key thing in this world was to stay alive. Even till now, staying alive is the biggest purpose in this world. Whatever you do after, you have to survive first. That's why our system that we don't control with our conscious is very, very, very serious when it comes to something that can threaten our survival. So that's why we have some behaviors and some patterns that we don't really know that comes from our survival instincts. And I'm going to give you a very, very simple example. Imagine you are at your job and someone calls you an idiot, and I'm pretty sure that you are going to feel anger. You are going to get angry, and this is coming from your survival instinct at a certain degree. But for you, you can't know. And I did the research in a few days, and I realized that sometimes some sort of angers we feel comes from survival instincts. And sometimes you can ask yourself, how are those two things related? If someone calls me a idiot, how is it related to my surviving? Basically, he's not trying to kill me. How are those things related? So I realized that we human beings, we are social creatures. We lived in groups for a very long time, even till now. So by living in groups, it was surviving tactics, because there were so much dangers in the forest. So living alone was very, very dangerous. That can put your life in danger. So basically, when someone calls you an idiot, he's saying that your IQ or your intelligence is below the average of everyone around, which can feel like he's excluding you from the community. So by excluding you, it means that he's putting your life in danger, because he's removing you from the group. So that's why sometimes your body can react in a way you don't know, and this reaction can create some sort of anger, raging, and other bad things. But for you, you can't know that this is coming from your survival instincts, because you are the office and it's not trying to kill you, and it's not even going to stop your life. But some of the properties we inherited from our ancestors long time ago that are still running through us till now. I realized that there is a system that controls us when we are not using our conscious. That's called limbic system, which have a subsystem which is called the amygdala, which is in charge of our survival instinct and fear in general. This is the system that is in charge to responding anything that don't need your interaction with your conscious. So in this case, whenever you feel, there are even other sort of things that your body can react to because they feel threatened. But I think because we are smart enough, you have enough time to control yourself and tell amygdala, like, relax, nothing's going to happen. But like, I realized that our body takes surviving so serious to the extent it can't let anything disrupt it. So